Let's talk about website contact forms. When it comes to WordPress contact forms, there's a lot of options out there. There's some really popular ones. I want to make a video because I had a client, they gave me this website that somebody else had built and they needed some things fixed on it. And they said that the contact form was delivering messages to them, but the messages were coming through with the email and the name of the person, but not the phone number wasn't coming through, even though the phone number was there on the actual form. So I went to look into it, and the form that they were using was called Ninja Forms. That's the plugin they were using. And Ninja Forms works a lot like the Contact Form 7 and like some other ones where you have to program the forms that you put in to make sure that they actually send the message out. And I think that's just such a dumb way to do it. Like, why isn't that just already baked into the plugin? So today I want to make a video about what contact form you should use on WordPress that takes all the programming, the elements to make sure that certain things get sent through, does all that on the back end for you automatically like it should. Like, why are we programming that? If I add a phone number to the form, why do I have to then go to the delivery form and put that piece of code that makes sure the number actually comes through? That's just such a stupid thing. Like, I wouldn't add it to the form if I didn't want it to actually deliver. So WP Forms is the one I recommend. It's super easy to use. They do have a premium version, but just the free version works really well. You install it. They have a bunch of templates, like a simple contact form template. You put that in. If you want to add the number to that, you just drag it, drop it in, and it works automatically. You just save it and get the notification set up. Boom, it's good to go. So in this case of this customer, I took off the Ninja Forms and I put in WP Forms and set up the contact form and embedded it in the same place on the contact page, and boom, it just works. So I want to make this video for anyone who's confused about why they've added a number form or a contact form or some type of piece to a contact form and it doesn't deliver the whole message through because the programming wasn't done right. So just get rid of scrap all those and just go with WP Forms plugin for contact forms on WordPress. I think it works the best. And it could be a different form, but the main point of this video is not necessarily to use WP Forms, although I think that's a good idea. The main concept of this video is like, let's get away from this whole idea that you have to program the deliverability of what you add to a form. I think that's just such a silly idea. And I can't think of a single use case where you would want to add like something to a form that needs to be done and then you wouldn't want it delivered on the message that's sent out. Like, why do they build them that way? That doesn't make any sense. So anyways, I want to make this video. WP Forms is the one I recommend. I'm a web developer with SkyPoint Studios. That's the name of my company. I certainly can help you out. If you're having issues with your contact form, deliverability, like those things that I talked about that this other client was having, definitely reach out to me. I can help you out with your contact form or your web design in general. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.